Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आता रातीको आमी मिडल ऑफ द नायट उठपाचे आनी सगळीं बायलां रावतात थिंगा आतां तेमगे सेक्युरिटी आतां रिस्क आहा सो वी वॉन्ट टू स्टॉप दिस इलिगल मायनिंग कंप्लीटली एंड द नंबर ऑफ ट्रक्स पासिंग शुड नॉट इवन गो झिरो सो वी वॉन्ट अ सेक्युरिटी
How long this has been going on?
आतांच ते हाडला आतां बोट सो नाव टुडे वॉज द फर्स्ट टायम वी कॉट देम रेड हँडेड
So
we don't know for how long it's going on but in 2017 we had stopped.
Okay.
Today again red handed in the middle of the night at दोल्ला तमका. And
सो आम ट्रान्सपोर्ट करून दिनाय आमगे थिंगान आनी ती रेवूय आतां इलिगल काडटाय ते तांकां कितले रिक्वेस्ट केले बंद कराय म्हूण ते आयकनाय
Okay.
आज कितें तांकां दवरले तुमी
आज आमी दवरले का आनी आतां आमी
red
गाडी
handed in the middle of the night.
At 9 o'clock, 2 trucks went down there and they started loading. At 5:30 or 6 o'clock, I could hear the boat start. So that means they went out to sea and within 2 hours, they filled up about 12 meter cubes of sand.
Okay.
I would request you to please continue further with this so that we can stop the sanding. It is not talk about sand mining only. Next, it is coal mining.
No, but now police have taken action.
Police have just come and taken action, have brought them. But I don't know if what is going to happen, if they are going to leave them.
ओनली वन ट्रक
No, there are 2 trucks. Now the one other truck is on the way which they left out this. And these guys, you know, are very notorious guys. They have warned the people, it seems, you know, that तुमगे गाडयो भायर आहाय थिंगा कळ्ळें आमी रातीको कितें करूं शकता म्हूण आनी म्हाकाय एकल्यान धमकी दिल्या कळ्ळें आपूण तुका तोप मारता म्हूण
तुमगे डिमांड कितें sand mining illegal जाता तें stop जावचें. Okay.
Stupid to be stopped going through our road because that road is very narrow.
Okay.
It is just 2 meters.